Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial, doing a video here on Palantir. I've thought about doing one, put it off, and had a couple requests, so thought I'd do a quick video on Palantir. I thought about purchasing this one, but I just haven't. I've been watching it. It seems like everybody's talking about it. It's had some volatility here, so maybe that's why I've stayed away. Sometimes if it just doesn't feel right, I just kind of stay away and don't even make a video about it. So I like to make videos about stocks that I do own, but I currently do not own any of Palantir. But it's not saying that I won't in the near future. And as you can see, it's been kind of going down. It's been really volatile here as of lately. So maybe the $18.50 range wouldn't be too bad. But this one is Palantir. As you can see right now, it's $20.07. Not too bad of a day here. So ticker PLTR, 44% hold. If you don't know much about this one, it's a holding company which engages in the development and data integration for software solutions. Operates through the commercial and government segments. The commercial segment offers services to clients in the private sector. Headquartered in Denver, Colorado. Maybe that's why Denver is growing so much. It seems like a lot of the companies I've talked about lately are headquartered in Denver. This one's been around since 2003. And like I said, it's in Denver, quite a few employees, $41 billion market cap, and quite a bit of volume, 90 million shares on the average. And here's a look at the ratings. So not the greatest of ratings, 44% hold with a 22% buy. And here's a look at their last earnings. Like I said, I do not currently have any of this one. I'm thinking about pulling the trigger. I just haven't yet. So here on MSN Money, it's currently at a hold. Palantir Technologies Q1 2021 earnings call transcript, and this is 5 days ago, and you can find this on MSN Money. So I'm just going to kind of slowly scroll through it here, and feel free to pause and go over the information there for yourself. Like I said, it's found on MSN Money. And just going to kind of scroll through. There's quite a bit of information here. Usually too much to even scroll through. But government response to the pandemic has been efficacious. We are seeing a commercial tailwind in the United States in particular. We continue to generate exceptional results, with revenue grew 83% in the U.S. government, 72% in commercials. So it's growing, and like I said, it kind of been too volatile for me, so I've been kind of staying away, but just gonna slowly scroll through here, but probably be best if you just go to MSN Money and read over that information. As you can see, this is gonna take quite a while even to scroll through it, but that was the earnings call. But over here on this particular site is FX Street. Palantir stock forecast. Palantir technology defies Soros and kicks off the week with gains. And as you can see, this one is just dated here today. Surged 9.25% on Friday to cap off the eventful week for the company. Palantir remains committed to Bitcoin, which a lot of people are talking about, even as other companies backtrack during the recent crypto volatility. Doge is the only crypto that I currently have. I'm still sitting on that. Last I saw was 52 cents. So we'll see if it remains or goes up or what it's going to do. So Palantir has kicked off the new week with a moderate increase. At the time of writing, it is trading at $20.22, extending its bounce from the around $20 level And the essential to note that the battle between the bulls and bears is wide open after several high-profile names have been associated with the stock. Apart from Soros, ARK, run by Cathie Wood, has been involved in the stock as well. And there's been institutions buying up the stock, and so definitely worth one to watch. On Friday, to close out the roller coaster week, Palantir investors stock rebounded nicely to gain 9.25% and finished the trading session at $20.08. And so, like I said, I've been hearing a lot of people talk about this one, but I just haven't pulled the trigger on this one yet. And so there's a chart of what it's done. Palantir Technologies Q1 earnings confirm growth potential, a big data play, and this is just dated here also today. Investors in the software and data analytics group the stock have not had a good 2021 so far. Since the start of the year, Palantir stock is down about 15%. Its current market capitalization stands at $38 billion. The company was founded in 2013. Following the direct public offering in September 2020, Palantir shares more than quadrupled and hit $45 in late January, but then profit-taking kicked in on May 11th following the release of the first quarter earnings. The stock went below $17. So definitely quite a haircut there, a little bit more than half, about 65%. Now it is hovering around 20. Palantir stock broke bullish, but can it hold? And this is just dated here an hour ago. So the earnings on May 11th marked a turning point in the stock. Palantir's revenue grew by 49% over the year to $341 million, beating the consensus estimate of $332 million. Palantir's guidance for the second quarter 2021 sees revenues of $360 million compared to a consensus estimate of $344.31 million. Palantir also released that will accept Bitcoin as a payment option, and also said it was considered investments in Bitcoin and possibly other cryptocurrencies. So definitely one to watch. A lot of people are talking about Bitcoin, other cryptos. It seems like there's new coins coming out all the time. I don't have any Bitcoin. Like I said, all I have is Doge currently. I've almost pulled the trigger on Ripple in the past, but still don't have any Ripple either. On Friday, Palantir stock made a fourth attempt to break up from the following wedge, and once again closed above it. The stock was able to capture the 8th-day exponential moving average, or EMA, which is bullish. Palantir is trading at 5% below the 21-day EMA, and 8th-day EMA is trending below it. But if the stock can push up further with momentum, it could recapture the 21-day EMA and eventually cause them to cross. Palantir also has a gap above 31 level, and because gaps fill 90% of the time, it's likely Palantir stock will trade in that price range again in the future. So if you're looking to buy on the dip, you could get it and run it up to the $31 level. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating an opinion. Something might be worth taking a chance at. So distance from 21-day simple moving average was down 7.51%. What to expect? Let's start up the current stock price of Palantir, which is $20.08 to be very precise. Stock rose vividly during the last session to $20.20 after opening rate of $18.82, while the lowest price it went was recorded $18.53 before closing at $18.37. Over here to Reddit, see if we can find any good juicy details. savings and retirement plan on Palantir. Wow. It says Biden will propose higher capital gains tax on the wealthy. So a lot of things have been read up and down in regards to inflation and so on. So any stocks out there, just be careful whatever you're getting into. But as you can see, the volatility on this one from a low of $8.90 to a high of $45, and that was just within a couple months. Definitely looking strong, so I'll double down, be patient, trust the process. 10 to 12. So a lot of bulls on this one. Broke 20, it will break 21.50. Very likely will end this week at 23. In my honest opinion, we have a great week ahead of us. We will wait and see. Monday's not over yet. And over here to tip ranks, currently at $20.13 with a 8% upside at a hold, and projecting 21.75, high of 30 and a low of 17. That's all the information I have here on Palantir. Like I said, it's not having too bad of a day here, so we'll see if it continues. And if you have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments along with your cost basis, and if you're long term or have any further information on this one. So as of the April 26th, it's just been kind of running down a little bit. So but again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing. Stay green. Cheers.